Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring IObit Malware Fighter, a powerful and intelligent anti-malware and antivirus tool that protects your PC from viruses, spyware, and online threats. Let's get started. First of all, what is IObit Malware Fighter? IObit Malware Fighter is a complete protection suite designed to detect, remove, and block all types of malware, including ransomware, adware, trojans, keyloggers, and spyware. It's developed by IObit, a trusted name in PC optimization and security. The software uses the latest Bitdefender engine and an enhanced IObit anti-ransomware module to ensure your data and privacy remain safe at all times. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of IObit Malware Fighter Dual Protection, powered by the Bitdefender antivirus engine for maximum security. Ransomware Shield prevents unauthorized access to personal files and folders. Real-time threat blocking stops malware before it infects your system. Browser protection blocks malicious websites and online trackers. Anti-tracking and ad removal keeps your browsing experience private and smooth. USB Disk Guard protects your PC from threats carried through external drives. So, who can benefit most from IObit Malware Fighter? IObit Malware Fighter is ideal for anyone who values privacy and data protection. It's great for home users, business professionals, gamers, and even students who want advanced security without slowing down their PC. Whether you browse frequently, download files, or shop online, this tool is designed to keep you safe. Now, one of the most common questions is IObit Malware Fighter is safe to use? Absolutely. IObit is a globally recognized company with millions of users worldwide. IObit Malware Fighter is fully safe to install and use, offering certified protection without affecting your system performance. Now, how to use IObit Malware Fighter. Using IObit Malware Fighter is very simple. Just follow these steps. Download and install IObit Malware Fighter. Open the program and choose the type of scan, smart, full, or custom. Click Scan and let the software detect any threats. Once scanning is complete, click Fix to remove them instantly. Enable real-time protection and ransomware guard for continuous security. Now, if you want to unlock full protection and advanced Bitdefender security, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website, www.ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. So that's a quick overview of IObit Malware Fighter, a complete and reliable security solution for your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,